My name's Dr. Andy Goodall. I'm Associate Director at the University of Technology Sydney, Institute for Public Policy and Governance. I lead the Social Policy Research and Evaluation team. The Asbestos Safety and Eradication Agency asked UTS to conduct research into the role of local governments in residential asbestos safety. This included looking at the current role local governments are playing, but also where there might be opportunities in the future to expand that role. Local governments have a very important role implementing asbestos safety initiatives. They're the level of government that's closest to their communities. This places them in a unique position to deliver initiatives that educate their communities around asbestos safety, but also to implement initiatives that remove some of those structural barriers towards handling and safely disposing of asbestos. The findings from our research show that local governments see their main responsibilities around managing asbestos in public buildings, managing illegal dumping, and to some extent community education around home renovations. However, we found that while 3/4 of local governments have information about asbestos safety on their website, it's generally fragmented across the web pages of a number of divisions and is very difficult to navigate. We conducted a number of case studies which showed that some local governments are delivering comprehensive asbestos safety campaigns, which include public workshops, free asbestos pickup services, free drop-off locations at certain times in the year, and also some local governments are providing residents with subsidised asbestos removal kits. There are clear opportunities for local governments in this space. The most obvious is to organise their websites with asbestos-related information so that residents have one place to go for all the information they need to safely handle and dispose of asbestos. There's also great opportunities for local governments to get involved in other initiatives and really drive community asbestos safety home.